what's going on? It's UrAvgJackson back here with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how to quote-unquote customize the new Apple Watch Series 5. But before we get into that, make sure you guys go follow me on Instagram. My Instagram username is @UrAvgJackson, so if I just scroll down a little bit right here, you'll be able to see it. Yep. But first part you're going to want to do is go to the Apple website, obviously, and click on Watch. Then, once we get here, you can see at the top, there's going to be the Apple Watch Series 5, the Nike, the Hermes, the Apple Watch Edition. I'm not sure what that is. The Series 3, which they still sell if you don't want to get, super expensive. I think they're starting at around $200. And we got compare bands, AirPods, and accessories, because with the AirPods, you can actually hook them directly to your Apple Watch, listen to music instead of to your phone if you don't have it. But first, what we're going to want to do is, obviously you can just look through this, so we're going to go to create your own style, customize so you can choose a case, you can pick a band, and you create your own style. So you're going to hit get started. So the first thing you want to do is you can either, choose the size, obviously. So we have the 40 millimeter, which is on the left, the 44, which is on the right. So this one is the 44, this one's the 40. In my opinion, you should probably go to the store and see, and maybe order them from online. As you can see, it is, but yes, $30 more. So, and then you can go to the case, and we have aluminum, which is going to be the cheapest, stainless steel, which is going to be a little more, titanium's going to be a lot more, and ceramic is going to be super expensive, so starting at $1,349. These aren't even for the Hermes ones, so we're just going to go with the aluminum, which is the cheapest and lightest, I'm pretty sure, because stainless steel is a bit heavier. So we're going to hit, obviously you can choose, we got space gray, silver, and gold, and then over here we get stainless steel. So I'm just going to go with the black, and we're just going to click off that, I guess. And then we're going to hit, when we hit band, we have all these bands. So most of these bands are $429, except for when we get into the leather, they're going to be a little bit more expensive. And then these ones, which I'm not sure of, but I guess if you want to look more professional. But so these are just the regular sport bands, as you can see, lots of colors: yellow, orange, green, blue. I'm not sure what that is. But so, and then we can choose these. All the sport bands are going to be the exact same price, unless, so obviously there's going to be a lot, the Pride one as well. So we're going to pick, we're going to go with the midnight blue, and then we'll hit I'm done. And then, as you can see, once we're here, you can see it's kind of blue and purple and black. And then once we're here, obviously, you can reselect whether you want the 44 or the 40. And then for connectivity with the GPS or plus cellular is you can use it without your phone. So this is my iPhone 6S. I'm probably going to upgrade to the 11 or 11 Pro for my birthday. Probably the 11, just because the 11 Pro is just like super expensive, My birthday's a month. What's the date? A month and a day, whatever. But so with the cellular, you don't have to have your phone with you with the GPS, or at least to call people. You do, I'm pretty sure. And then, so if you want to go GPS plus cellular, as you can see, it's going to be $529. That's just for the basic, I guess, for the 44 millimeter, and then black, so just aluminum. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure, if you guys haven't already, go and follow me on Instagram. It's right down there. It's @UrAvgJackson. And make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. And also, I will be, or at least I might be, vlogging, since I'm going up to Minnesota next week, where I'm from. Let's go, baby. For University of Minnesota homecoming, so I might vlog that. If it'll be up to date on my Instagram. So I'll see you.